In this video, we are going to see that if we want to share our printer with other computers on the network in Windows 11 or Windows 10, here's what you can do. First of all, just open up the start menu and right here control panel. And once you go in there, on the right hand side, we just need to make sure that we are under the category view, and under here network and internet, we need to click on that. Network and sharing center, go ahead and click on that. And on the left hand side, we see this little option that is change advanced sharing settings. Just go ahead and click on that, and we need to open up all the options. First of all, just make sure that the network discovery is enabled. Set up network connected devices automatically, make sure this is enabled. File and printer sharing should be enabled. So all of this private network settings should be enabled, and also just enable this for the public networks. And after that, just close out of here, and after that just go to the start menu again, and this time we will write printer. Go to printers and scanners, and whatever your printer is, it will show you it in the list. So let's say this is my printer. Just click on that and just click on the printer properties. It will open this particular backend settings. Just open the sharing tab, and if your printer is shareable, it must show you this option that sharing is enabled. So you need to check on that and click on apply. But this is just an example. I have not connected any printer to it, but you should check mark it and make sure that your printer supports the network and the Ethernet cable is properly plugged into the network. So this is what you do where the printer is already connected in the primary device or a primary computer. Click OK. And after that, let's say that we want to share it with a different computer. Since this network option is enabled now for this particular printer, let's say we just go to the other computer of the receiving end. That means where we want to connect the network printer. Just click on add a device from there, and it will show you the list of printers. And before that, just make sure that you are connected to the same network on the Wi-Fi, and also the printer is properly connected to the internet via Ethernet cable or something else on the same network. After that, just click on refresh and you can add that, or you can click on add manually to locate that. Here you just have to select a shared printer by name, and you will mention the example path in this way, like it is written here. But this is just in case that you are unable to locate the printer, but in most of the cases, you won't be needing the IP address or anything like that. You just refresh this and it should be able to locate the printer if the network is properly working. So hopefully that should be it, and you should be able to configure the network printer or on any particular device that is connected to the same internet or the same network in your office or in your workplace. So hopefully that should solve your problem. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you want to learn more amazing stuff on our channel, you can join the playlist link in the description, and I will see you in the next one.